Hi everybody, it's 11:40 and 36 seconds on Monday, June 11th. This is mini for the New Mutants 87 and 98 slabs. As explained in the post, whoever comes in first place in this mini will automatically get assigned the first 4 available spots in the main. Those spots are 15, 24, 25, and 26. Whoever comes in second place in this mini will automatically get assigned the last 4 available spots. Those spots are 29, 30, 32, and 38. So let's get this on the road. As soon as this is done, I will run the main. The number is 10. Best of luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is the final one. 10. Joe Forte gets the first 4 available spots, and Jeff Lewis gets the final 4 available spots. Time is 11:41 and 50 seconds.